In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on OneDrive. Getting started, it's important to ensure that you're able to follow through the steps efficiently. So make sure you're at your computer or device where you usually access OneDrive. This process we're about to dive into is fairly straightforward, and it'll greatly improve your experience if you prefer using OneDrive in a language other than the default setting. First off, let's head to the Microsoft homepage. You can do this by typing microsoft.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll see numerous options available, but what we're interested in is getting into our OneDrive account with the right language settings for us. So the next step is to locate the sign in button, which is usually in the top right corner of the Microsoft homepage. Give that a click and get ready to log into your account. Logging in is a two-step process. You'll start by entering your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Input it carefully and then hit Next. Following this, you're prompted to enter your password. Remember, your information security is paramount, so ensure you're entering your credentials in a secure environment. After entering your password, click Next to proceed. Depending on your settings, you might be asked if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes might save you some time in the future. However, if you're on a shared or public device, it might be safer to skip this option. Once you're logged in, you're going to direct yourself to the OneDrive service. Look for the All Microsoft option, which will show you all the services associated with your account. From there, select OneDrive. This action brings you to the OneDrive homepage, but you're not done yet. Proceed by clicking Sign In again if required. Usually it automatically detects your account, but you might need to confirm. Following that, ensure you're on the OneDrive home by checking for the Home or OneDrive indicator. It directs where all your stored files and documents are safely kept. Now for the main event, changing the language, look for the Settings gear icon, which is generally located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options to customize your OneDrive experience. Among these choices, you'll find Change Language. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can select your preferred language. The language options are extensive, ensuring that users worldwide can enjoy using OneDrive in a language they're most comfortable with. Scroll through the available languages and select the one that suits you. It might be English, Spanish, Mandarin, or any of the numerous others listed. Once you've found your desired language, select it. After making your selection, the system will likely prompt you to confirm your choice. Go ahead and confirm, and voila, you have successfully updated your OneDrive language settings. Here are a couple of additional tips to make your experience smoother. 1. If you frequently switch between languages, it might be useful to bookmark the settings page for quicker access in the future. 2. Remember, changing the language on OneDrive doesn't alter the language settings of other Microsoft services you might be using. You'll need to change those settings individually if necessary. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to changing your OneDrive language settings. Whether for accessibility, comfort, or just to practice a new language, this flexibility is part of what makes OneDrive such a user-friendly service. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. See you in the next video.